Good day. Welcome to another lesson of online mathematical lessons. We have a question on indices. 81 raised to the power x minus 1 equals 9 all over the root of 3 raised to the power x plus 3. Let's jump straight into it. Given 81 x minus 1 equals 9 all over the root of 3 raised to the power x plus 3, all in a root. From here, we're going to simplify this. We break down 81, we break down 9. Writing 81 in an index form will give us 3 raised to the power 4, or multiplying x minus 1, equal to 9 as an index number will give us 3 raised to the power 2, all over the root of 3 raised to the power x plus 3. From this, I can do away with the root sign over here. This is going to give us, on the left hand side, the basis of the exponent will multiply, giving us 4 raised to the power x minus 4. This is equal to 3 raised to the power 2 all over, all this can be written as 3 raised to the power x plus 3, all raised to the power 1 and 2. That is changing the root sign. From this, I have 3 raised to the power 4x minus 4 plus 3 raised to the power 2 all over 3 raised to the power x plus 3 all on 2. That is, all this is an exponent. Moving ahead, I have 3 raised to the power 4x minus 4. That is, I'm cross multiplying. 3 raised to the power x plus 3 all on 2 equals 3 on 2. From this, I have the same basis multiplying. We apply our knowledge in indices. This will become 3 raised to the power 4x minus 4. Then all this plus x plus 3 all on 2 equals 3 on 2. That is from the laws of indices. On the same basis are multiplying. We keep a base, we add the exponent together. From this, I have an equation here which gives us 3 raised to the power 4x minus 4 plus x plus 3 all over 2 equals 3 raised to the power 2, which becomes an indicial equation with the bases at both sides being equal. Therefore, I can just equate the exponent, giving me 4x minus 4 plus x plus 3 all over 2 equals 2. From here, we simplify this, and this is going to give us 8x minus 8 plus x plus 3. This is equal to, this 2 multiply here, giving us 4. We group our like terms and simplify. 8x plus x here equals 4. Minus 8 will come here as plus 8. Then plus 3 come here as minus 3. This is giving us 9x is equal to 4 plus 8 is 12 minus 3. That will give us 9. Divide here by 9, here by 9. So our final answer, x is equal to 1. Do follow us for more. Goodbye.